Yo, what's up guys, it's Matt, and today's video we're just going to be making a simple JFrame for beginners, but for this series we are going to add more stuff to the JFrame, pictures, maybe even a music. We'll show you a lot of stuff, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But so basically let's just make our Java class, just call it main window, because this is going to be our main window class. Alright, so basically you want to make a JFrame. A JFrame is the main window of your game. So basically it'll be the little app box. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's the main window of the game. So you should call it, you can call it window equals new JFrame. And then in here you can call it, you can name it. I'll just call it tut for tutorial, and make sure to close it off with brackets. Once you have that, you can do it in your main window. And then, alright, so this is where everything will be outputted inside of here for this main class, main window. Oh, main window. Okay. So basically, as you can see, we can do options for this. If you just do, for example, window dot, there'd be a lot of options that you can go ahead and mess around with. This is basically how you get good in a job, where you just mess around, figure out stuff, and see how it goes. At least it gives you a lot of options. So I can do window.set size. We'll do 500. 500. It'll be nice and big. Alright. Also, to set, for you to be able to actually see the JFrame, of course you want to set it visible. Window.set visible true. That will set the window true, the JFrame true. Another thing you want to do is make it close once you exit the app. So basically how you do that is you can do window set default close operation. You can do JFrame exit, or it should be exit on close right there. So basically this right here should be your JFrame done. Let's go ahead and add a configuration. Plus, we'll just do an application main class. Oh, okay. So what we did forget to do is make a main class. So let's go ahead and make a main Java class. Uh, Java class, and we'll just call it start. Once that's there, you will get this line of code. I'll put in description so for those who don't want to type it out. Let me go ahead and add this. So basically, this is the main string that lets everything inside of this start the app. So basically, if you have a Java class and you want it to start, you have to add in here as a new window. So for this, we're going to do main window equals new main window. There we go. So that will activate this for it to launch. So if we go ahead and try and launch, make a configuration, new application, do start, apply, and OK. And now you can go ahead and launch it. Let it build. And as you can see, we have a new window to start making an application. In the next video, we'll be adding a picture inside of here for you guys. And yeah, hope to see you in the next video. Peace.